Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Happy and Healthy Life Recipes. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes and press the bell icon to get all notifications of our recipes. Today I'll make a tricolour jelly dessert recipe. So let's start the recipe. In a pan, I'm taking 1 cup green mango juice, 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon agar-agar powder. Now mix in the ingredients and turn on the heat. I am boiling this for 1 to 2 minutes. I am continuously stirring the mixture. Next, in a glass bowl, I am taking little bit oil and brush it. Now adding the mango juice and agar-agar mixture. I am pouring the remaining juice into a glass. Now keeping them aside for 15 minutes. For the second layer, I am adding 1 cup of cold milk, 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon agar-agar powder. Mixing them and after that turn on the heat. Boiling the milk for 1 to 2 minutes. The milk is ready. On the top of the first layer, I am very gently pouring the milk and again keep it aside for 15 minutes. Repeating the same process on the glass layer. For the third layer, I am taking 1 cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon agar-agar powder. Now boiling this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. Our third layer is ready. On top of the milk layer, I am pouring the orange juice mixture. Repeating the same process on the glass layer. Now keeping them aside for 15 minutes and then refrigerate them for 1 hour. Now it is completely set. I am giving this a square shape and then cut into cubes. This is the final look of our tricolour jelly dessert. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more recipes. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.